You've seen it in movies, you've heard it from so-called experts. But here's the deal. Some survival tips are straight up wrong and could actually get you killed. Today we're busting 10 of the biggest survival myths so you don't fall for bad advice when it matters most. 1. You can always start a fire by rubbing sticks together. Reality check. Unless you have dry wood, perfect technique, and a lot of patience, this isn't working. Most people fail, especially in wet or cold conditions. Instead, carry a ferro rod, waterproof matches, or a lighter. 2. You can drink water from a river if it looks clear. Crystal clear water can still carry bacteria, parasites, and viruses that will wreck your insides. Always boil, filter, or purify water before drinking. A life straw or water purification tablets can save your life. 3. Cactus water can save you in the desert. Nope. Most cacti contain toxic or undrinkable water that can make you sick and dehydrated faster. Instead, look for barrel cacti, which have some drinkable liquid, or dig at the base of desert plants for moisture. 4. We've all seen this in movies, but guess what? It does nothing except spread venom faster and infect the wound. Instead, stay calm, keep the wound below heart level, and get medical help as soon as possible. 5. It feels warm because it moves blood to your skin, but that actually makes you lose heat faster and increases hypothermia risk. Instead, layer up, find shelter, and stay dry. 6. Fire is great, but not your first priority. If you don't have shelter or a survival plan, you're wasting time. Instead, focus on 1. Finding shelter, 2. Locating clean water, and 3. Then making a fire for warmth and signaling. 7. You can call 911 anywhere, even without signal. Nope. If you have zero signal, your phone won't magically work. But some phones can send emergency texts on weak signals, and a satellite communicator can be a lifesaver. 8. If someone has frostbite, rub their hands together. This will damage their skin even more by breaking ice crystals inside their tissues. Instead, slowly warm them up in lukewarm water or with body heat. 9. Play dead if a black bear attacks. Works for grizzlies, not black bears. Black bears see playing dead as an easy meal. Instead, fight back hard, aim for the face, and make yourself look bigger. Finally, 10. Moss always grows on the north side of trees. Wrong. Moss grows wherever it's damp, which could be any direction depending on the environment. Instead, use a compass, the sun's position, or landmarks for navigation. Survival isn't just about having gear, it's about knowing the right info. These myths, they could cost you, but now you're ready. Stock up on real survival gear at alwaysbereadyusa.com. Use code FRIEND10 for 10% off. Stay smart, stay safe, always be ready.